just getting the camera ready for video. It's filming. You need to go to the toilet? Daddy help you?
What are you doing, Jimbos?
No, I wanted to see what I wanted to say.
It says searching for accessories.
Accessories?
Say accessories.
What's accessories?
Accessories is like things that it can use.
So what's that?
There's the
It's
Jimbo, the pictures to draw, okay? I was going to help you with the TV.
Do you know what an app is? Oh!
I'll start to show you something.
TV.
Sorry,
I
what-
want to watch TV.
you want to watch it?
Yeah, watch TV.
Alright.
What's this? What's this one? Oh, they were toys.
Yeah.
What's that green one? What's this? What's this?
What's all that stuff?
Oh,
It's a drawer full of your toys, I think. Yep, that's a little thingy that you thing on. That's tissues.
I got it, Dad.
What's that, buddy?
Keep pushing. Good girl. Flush. Let's go wash our hands. Yes, buddy. You want to come wash your hands? What? Oops. Daddy's trying to find the right light.
That's the laundry, yep.
Dad,
Yes, bud.
what's this? Daddy.
They just turn the lights on, buddy. Lexi, do you want some soap duck?
What's this thing on the side of your screen?
Oh, just the audio levels. Okay, here, Daddy's gonna get some soap. Jamie, you want some soap from Daddy?
No, I want that soap.
You want this soap? Right. Lexi, will you soap?
No, I want this soap. I want this.
Hey, can Jamie have a turn with the soap, please, duck?
I need some more soap.
I need some more soap.
Need more soap.
Jamie,
Dad.
can Jamie have it now, please, Alexa? Jamie, here you go, bud.
Dad.
Did you? Okay, dry your hands, Lexi Lou.
Where's the car door? Here.
Good girl, baby.
Chicken.
All right, Jamie. Are we getting some soap and mopies? Good.
I need some that soap.
Yep, you can use that soap and we're going to wash our handsies.
Wash your head. Wash your head.
Coming, Dad. Coming. We're just washing our hands.
Is it hot?
No, cold.
Cold. Washing your hand. Washing your hand. Washing your hand. Washing your hand.
Good old hand wash. Hey, bud.
I'm washing my hands. Washing my hands. Washing my hands.
Okay, go back to Mummy.
Now what's this?
That's just to make it smell nice, bud. It smells like the bath, doesn't it? You can stop or start. Just see feet, bro.
How do I stop?
She said
You just push the red button and then.
Tuck your feet in, Mum, when he's there.
Okay, coffee and then.
Dinner.
Oh,
Yum, yum, yum.
before, come, I've just got one more present to give you, and then we
They
can
smell
settle
so
down.
nice. Okay, Opa wants to give you something. Quickly, come over here. This way, Jamie, Alexa. Don't say what.
Daddy just wants
Hold on a
to make
second.
sure that-
Alexa,
Mummy's calling you, baby. Mummy's calling you, baby.
Opa has something to give you and then you can come
Mummy's
back.
calling you, baby.
Can you put that on?
Only
Yes.
when you go with
Come,
Mummy.
Ella.
And don't put it on.
There's a present. Let's go. Quick, finally we got her here. Okay,
So,
look.
now stand nicely. So, to Jamie and Alexa, enjoy. Smiley face.
What is it?
Now,
Look at his face.
but I'm going to show it to you, but you've got to take it home. Okay? You
Okay.
can't have it now. Is that okay?
Are you listening to Opa? You can have it tomorrow.
We have it tomorrow.
All right.
Okay?
And you can say big thank you to Opa and Oma. Okay, ready? Let's see.
Well, that's-
Oh,
Is this on, is this on
he's
now?
bleeding.
No.
Oh my goodness!
Isn't
How
that beautiful?
exciting! It's a cool donut.
Yeah, so there's two. One
Leave
for
them in there?
Leave them in there.
Okay.
There's one for Jamie and one for Alexa.
What do you
okay?
say to Oma, Opa?
Thank you.
You're welcome,
And
darling.
You got it.
we'll have dinner first, and then maybe you
Got it?
can have half after dinner. Yeah.
But there's got to be something
And
else.
what about Oma?
What about Oma?
You say
Big cuddles for Oma.
Oh, can you give cuddle Oma? Very.
Oh,
Thank you. They're so cute.
thank you. Thank you, my darling.
Hey, you son of a... Hey, Lex.
Hi. Can I take today?
They're hot. They're hot. Be careful. They're hot.
Jimbo, come up. I'll show you what you need to do. Come here. Get your gun that so you can film from front. Oh, bugger. See this here? Let's come watch here. You're going to do one. We're going to get Jamie to do one first. Jamie, so you take that to fork, put it in there, okay? Press it down, west down, and lift up. Lift the nut up. Put the show again. Press down. That's it. She'll come out. Pick it up. Look at that. Is that nice?
Is that bok choy?
So put yours in the water there. Rinse it, rinse, shake. Shake all the sand off. There you go. Come next to your turn.
Where you going, Jimbo?
This one. You get that one out of there. Up above, let's go.
The chilies are hot.
Yeah, the chilies are hot.
Take, take, take.
Oh, what are these?
That's a chili as well.
Chilies?
Yeah, it's hot.
These are hot.
Yes.
Look at that. There you go. Wash yours. Wash yours.
Hey,
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yep. Oh, don't break it in your hand because it'll burn you.
There you go. Right, now we're going to take it and show Mummy.
I want to still go up the stairs.
You still want to go? Still want to walk with you.
What do you want to do?
Still go stairs to climb up.
You want to go to the stairs?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Should know this stairs. Let's try to go down.
And then you come up.
And we can go up and down wherever we can. Oh, up. And let's see some cherries.
Cherry. No, that's a chili.
Chili, baby, not cherries.
Yeah, don't bite that.
Come up.
Are they hot? Are these hot?
Yep, that one's hot, and the skinny ones are hot too.
You're right.
Yep.
And are the hot dogs hot?
What's that?
Are the hot dog hot?
Are the hot dogs hot?
Alexa?
Are the hot dogs hot?
Alexa, have you seen this dirty water? Is this like a pineapple? And this
It looks like it, doesn't it?
That's something. What is it?
Magic stones.
I have to try more. I have to... I want some more. Look. What's this? More magic stones. What's this? What's this? Over, what's this?
That is a root, and that's where the water stays in, so it feeds the plant.
Feed the plant.
Feed the plant.
Hey, can I put this in the water?
What's that?
Hey, can I put this in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can put this in the water.
Ta-da!
And
Careful, Jimbo.
I want to mix it.
Guys, I'm making a soup, are ya?
I'm making a soup.
A yummy, yummy soup.
It's making a yucky soup.
A yucky soup.
Yeah, and we're making a flour soup.
A flour soup, that would be yummy.
I got dirt.
Where'd you get dirt, buddy?
Where?
Yeah, you can wipe it on my jumper. There you go.
And chilies are hot.
The chilies are very hot. That looks delicious, Lex.
Yeah. The water's coming out.
Where?
There, come, see.
Lex, let's go see the water.
Yeah,
Ch-
it's coming out. And it's the water's coming out.
You alright?
Okay.
Watch your step. Oh, that's the water he's talking about. Yeah.
Hey, Opa, what's this? What's this?
I don't know what the botanical name of that is, but it is.
Hey, what's that? What's that?
Nah, don't know.
And what are these? Are these corn?
That's a wattle tree.
It looks like corn.
Looks like corn.
Yeah.
Do you want to taste it?
Chucky!
Yeah?
Can you come up here with us?
I sure can.
Can you see any gardens?
I can see Opa and Oma's garden. Show me. You picked, what did you pick?
I picked these stones.
Ooh.
And can I bring them with us? I'll find some more.
Don't pick Opa's flowers because they're supposed to grow in the garden. Show me, don't pick them. What are they?
They're very hot today, so
Oh no,
don't.
touch them, they're chilly. It's chilly. Hot chili.
They're so
They're so hot, those chilies.
Super hot.
Mum,
Yes.
we make flowers.
We make flour soup. Sure.
We make flowers.
Show me, Mummy. Oh, flour soup. That looks impressive. Please don't get your sleeves wet, Lexi. Okay. I like the flour soup. What did you put in it?
Salt
Salt.
and a kiwi
And who?
and the kiwi
And pardon?
and pasta
Pasta
and salt.
and salt. More salt. Daddy would love that. Sounds good, Lexi.
Okay. How do you put this in here?
Ah,
Have we put this in there?
Bubby. Let it go. All right, we're gonna go and quickly give this to Opa now. Quick. Oh my God.
Oh, Jimbo, you alright?
You okay? Did you trip? Just dust it off, honey.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the sauce.
All right, Lexi, let's go, please.
Come on, Lex.
Let's go show Opa.
Here, Lex.
I need a 50
Okay.
and flick.
Thank you.
Super good job on the flipping.
Jamie, we're going back this way. Let's go.
Come on, Lex,
play
let's
the
go.
fishy game.
We've got strawberries and stuff inside. Yum.
I want to see the chili.
Here, Lexi.
Okay, so
Hot, 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 hot.
Alexa, hold it like this. Hold it like this at the top. And say, Opa, I pulled this out of your garden. Poor Opa. Did you see what she was doing?
Yeah.
There you go, Stacey.
Right, do you want the rice in now?
Yes, please.
What am I doing?
It's recording.
Gina, Kamadi wants you to film, please.
I'm all nervous now. I feel on camera. Who's that? Is that a kitty cat?
Yeah.
What are they watching?
Minecraft on YouTube.
Oh no, this is silly.
Change it?
Yeah.
It's the Paw Patrol, the Paw.
No, it's not Paw Patrol. You can watch something else. Hey, ask Uncle Dieter and he'll put something else on for you, please. What
else?
about Sonic?
Yeah.
Uncle Dieter, can you put Sonic on, please?
How something
Jamie and Lexa, where are we?
on? Mummy.
No.
Mummy.
Yes?
There's a dolly up there.
Where? Oh, this little dolly?
Can I play with
You
it?
can hold her, Mummy. Yes. Be very careful with her.
And there's a toy up there.
This one?
Yeah. Can I hold?
Sorry, Uncle
And
Dieter.
can I
You're right.
hold that one?
Hold on, Uncle Dieter's putting Sonic on for you.
The song.
Sonic.
The song?
song.
All right, we'll see. Let's see what comes up. Okay, press search, Uncle Dieter, and let's see if the song comes up.
Song comes up.
Go.
Ding 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 ding.
Should I type in Sonic song?
Sonic,
Sorry,
it's called.
Stacey, I want to be rude.
Like
I'm getting this required. Don't do like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's Sonic Believer. That's what it says.
Sonic Believer?
Yeah, Sonic Believer. Okay, Uncle Dieter's gonna do it, okay?
Because I had lunch with Dad at 2:30.
I said, wake up, we're going to Omar Opus.
But
Okay.
you can talk to him. It's fine.
Okay. And she nearly fell asleep. And then we got here, and then they're like, are we nearly at Omar and Opus? I said, yeah, we're going. Is Daddy there? I said, yeah, Daddy's cooking us dinner tonight. Oh, yay!
Is this the latest movie?
Yes. Okay. It's recording. Love you.
So I love you, Mum.
From the brain, seeing the beauty through the
Dirt on you.
I'll get it. It's right down.
What's that?
Put it up.
Okay.
I can't hear it. Other one.
Other one?
Yeah.
Which one's the other one? Do you know the name of it?
Finally, I can get to that new
Paw
decorating. Right, so
Paw
important
Patrol.
question. Do
I
you
want
need
the
more
cutting
this
one.
week?
The cartoon one?
Yeah.
Coffee machine.
Alright,
What
let's
do
take a look for it.
Yeah. Not in the pink. No, the ball.
Which one?
The ball.
Touch which one you want me to play.
Now go up.
Go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see the ball. No.
Down.
Yeah, go up. I want the ball.
The ball.
Stay there. No,
That one?
no, this one.
That one?
No, that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want that. But that one's silly. See that one there?
I think that's the dancing one.
No, I don't like it.
Don't like it?
But I want it.
Should I leave it or put it off?
No, I leave it.
Do you want to? Should
Leave
I?
it.
Okay.
Yeah, I want it. What's this?
What's wrong, Jimbo?
Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Fantasyland. Let me tell a story and you should really believe it. I will be my creator, helping me to see. If you don't listen, you will get blood, blood, blood. So there is a thing that I really need to tell. I came from very far away, a beggar on the shell. My creator didn't threaten me and now you need to help. Fall into my industry or else I will feel
Yeah. You having fun? Sonic. Okay. It's getting faster.
No, no song. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Fantasyland. Let me tell a story and you should really believe it. If you don't listen, you will get blood, blood, blood. So there is a thing that I really need to tell. I came from very far away, a beggar on the shell. My creator didn't threaten me and now you need to help. Fall into my industry or else I will be. How does it feel to be alone now? With feet on your head. Sacrifices will be made. Just make it flow like me. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Fantasyland. Let me tell a story and you should really believe it. I will be my creator, helping me to see. If you don't listen, you will get blood, blood, blood. I have no idea why you're thinking something's wrong. These follow my steps, don't think you don't belong. Please don't be a stay home, I love you so. Unless you will listen, how does it feel to be alone now? With feet on your head. Sacrifices will be made. Just make it flow like me. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Fantasyland. Let me
Getting very fast now.
Yeah, bud.
What are you playing for? They want to watch this video. I don't know what game it is.
Ball game. Okay.
No,
As long as there's nothing inappropriate, okay?
I think it's going to start reading the horror ones.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. What? You piss me off. Mum pisses me off. Dad pisses me off.
I said
What did I
we
do?
like it.
When I called you and you answered the phone like a fucking marine.
Like it.
Wait, when I answered Dad's phone,
Oh,
and you
yeah.
spoke to me like a marine, I was like, what do you want to watch, buddy? Is it called the ball game? Well, if something inappropriate pops up, Daddy can't. I beg your pardon, Jamie. You have to say please. Thank you. There you go.
Where did it go from?
Dear, don't forget to, they can't get anything without pleasers, okay? Dear, Uncle Dear's not a pushover.
Why?
Because... okay, I have to stay.
Okay.
Yes, Dale, thank you.
Okay. Is it ready, Dad?
Almost, sweetheart.
Is it ready?
It's the one underneath that Sonic stuff. Oh yeah, but it's got the horror stuff now. Yeah, it's the one.
I want Sonic.
You want Sonic?
Yeah.
So does Dad, but Mum says you're too young for Sonic.
I want Sonic.
I know, but I tried to get you a Sega and Mum said no.
So look at that. Look at that one.
Oh, okay, Dad just wants to do a
I
search.
love that one.
Okay.
I love it. I love it.
All they need to need to do.
Just, if it's inappropriate, just change it.
Alexa, come here, honey
Yummy, yummy,
bear.
Jamie. Yummy, yummy.
Okay, now we're going to put this stove off before. So you don't want what look what Oprah baked this morning. You don't want any of these? You want one of these? Yeah?
I don't want this.
Oh, you don't want? Okay,
I don't want it.
that's okay.
No, thank you,
That's
Opa.
okay. It's all.
Wow, who cleaned up all the stuff?
Can you come and see what?
Come, Oprah wants to cut this. You need to decide which one you want. Betsy, come Betsy.
Just going to thank you, we cleaned up.
Yeah, I will. What happened to her?
She hit her face on my phone.
Oh.
Let me see your eye. Let me see.
Alexa, look what Opa got. Look.
Oprah's gonna get another knife to say.
Do you want a donut? Donut?
Go, Bobby.
Did you come to give my monkeys?
It's okay, here, sprinkle.
So how does Oprah cut this?
So I would cut it in half so they both get 2 sprinkles each, Opa.
2 sprinkles each.
All right, you excited? Come and sit here, Bubby.
But someone needs an eye too. Can I take the
Yeah,
one
one
eye?
eye each.
I'm
One
gonna take the
eye
eye.
each.
There we go. That's your
What
eye.
do you say?
That's your
And
one.
that's your
Alexa
one?
just ate it.
Mm-hmm.
What
Delicious.
about in the middle?
What?
Is it chair?
No, it's
No,
just
it's
a
donut.
Just a normal donut. This looks so cool.
Is that yum, buddy?
Annoying.
Tear it up.
He's sleeping, Mum, leave him. Is that yummy? Good boy. Alexa, yummy, baby? Good girl. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, mums.
Bye.
I'm going to zoom this in. Give Fiki lots of cuddles. Dita's going to film. Oh, no, Daddy's going to film. One at a time.
He said
She's cute, isn't she?
keep tickling me. My turn. Tickle!
Careful.
Gimme.
Jamie, say please.
Careful, Lex. You're hitting her back.
Hold their bottom.
Give me to me now.
It's the beta
Can I-
community. I get it.
Can I take a photo of the TV?
Okay, let's just skip this. I don't think it's for kids. Jamie, you're a bit more chill than your sister, bud. Good boy. Can you give Fiki a kiss? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Daddy wants to get a photo of that, okay, buddy? Hold on. Dita.
Do you want to get in front of it?
No. Stay right there. Oh, you. It's okay.
No, I put it on the bed.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, she's reached her max. She's shaking.
Say bye, Fiki.
Bye.
Jamie, say bye, Fiki.
Bye, Fiki. Go, Fiki. I want to say
It's a Dudu's time.
Yeah, she's got to go Dudu's. Bye, Fiki.
what do you?
Dudu's
Dudu's sleep.
No. Daddy, put your phone off.
Okay, say bye first.
And you got room of stickers.
Okay.